you are looking for Bedford Park, Illinois wheel repair, you have come to the right place. TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts, we specialize in fixing damaged wheels, ensuring your car drives smoothly and safely. Our services include repairing bends, cracks, and restoring cosmetic damage to your wheels. Using precise tools and technology, our skilled technicians meticulously reshape and reinforce the wheel structure. Additionally, we handle wheel refinishing, which involves repainting and polishing to restore the original appearance of your wheels. Call TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts today and schedule your wheel repair estimate.